nampak? Tutup video aku. Memandangkan kelapa ni macam tidak in a very good condition. Ada pula dia tercabut daripada tempurung ni. Boleh guna lagi. Tapi bahaya sikit kalau nak mesin. Lepas tu yang pula dia macam sedikit baunya masam. Tapi rasa macam boleh guna lagi. Bau yang ni okey, yang ni tak pasti. Wah, besarnya. Elok ke? Elok. Good morning, guys. Today is the 17th of Ramadan. So me and my mom, we were planning to do infak, which is we're gonna do the bubur apa ni mah? Biji nangka lah, atau some people call butir nangka, atau some people call putri mandi in some place lah. And I chose 5 different colors, which is warna apple, hijau, kuning, pink, orange, and then blue, or maybe I'll do purple, maybe. Let's see. And as per usual, my mom's gonna do the kuah while I am gonna uli and buatlah acu bulat-bulat. Dia actually kan butir nangka tu kan bentuk dia lain kan. Dia bukan macam cara putri mandi tu. But I think that's the easiest shapes I can do for sebab banyak kan. So yeah, we're gonna do the hemoglobin punya bentuk. So basically infak ni I've no plans to bagi siapa, but anyone, just anyone, kita akan agih petang nanti. And for this time I think buat bubur ni sebab macam senang out of all desserts. So I'll do kuning first. Should we go pastel? Kita try lah sikit dulu. Nampak tak? This time mama nak colour pastel, guys. So I need to do dia macam lagi tak pekat lah. I actually love the vibrant colour, so that kan the kuah santan tu kan colour putih kan, so that dia akan macam pop up bila dekat dalam tu. But mama nak pastel, so I'm just gonna follow her for this time. But it's not gonna be super pastel pun juga, sebab after kita rebus, the colour tu dia akan jadi lagi macam enhance lah colour dia lepas kita rebus. So it's not gonna be super pastel juga. Done for yellow. Mak tengok ni. Oh, Mama dah tahu, I je baru tak. Weh, tak sampai. Next color, I'm gonna do orange. Macam banyak je. Now, color green. Guys, terlebih pekat lah pula pink ni ha. Apalah, nantilah kita adjust macam mana. Sekarang kita nak buat color biru. First time nak buat color biru. Sikit je tolong. Macam banyak juga. The pastel thing, guys, I did take that back, because that's obviously not pastel. I adjusted it, still pekat sebab itu tuang banyak. Maybe yang ni je kot yang macam pastel sikit ni dengan ni. But then if after I rebus nanti pun takkan jadi pastel, but it's still gonna turn out very beautiful. Now kita akan tepung. I need yang ada 4 color lagi. Apa kan? This is a bowl of air sejuk. Because after dia dah masak ni, nampak tak dia dah timbul-timbul ni, kita letak dalam air sejuk. Makan hemoglobin berapa? Dekat dulang tu. Okay, next kali. Okay, orange pun dah settle. Tadi cakap pastel lah apalah. So cute. Dah boleh angkat. Favorite colour mama. Besar lah sebenarnya. Tak lah besar sangat. Tu masa dapat tu mama this one my favorite. Last batch guys. This is my favorite color kuning. Guys, this is the final product. Tapi kita still masih merendam sebab nanti bila kita nak agih-agihkan dalam bekas ni, dan baru kita masukkan dengan dia punya santan lah. So this is the kuah. And this is the putih nangkanya, the hemoglobins.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Kiawa. Masa dia banyak ni, cukup.
Mama rasa ngam-ngam. Tengok tu, macam kuah dia. Lepas tu dengan ni isi dia.
We have 50 cups here. Dan we only got 15 cups instead of 50, and everything will be distributed by Benong later. Alhamdulillah.
Wa imma fidaan hatta tada'al harbu aw daraha.
Kalau dua ni macam mana?
Aduh.
Mama kena berhenti di salah satu tempat. Tapi sabar.
Galik tak?
Tapi nafas tetap yang sama. Contohlah, Mama baca contoh, Mama nak berhenti kat sini kan. Contoh, tadu'al harbu awzaruha zalika walau yasha'ullah. Macam tu. Kalau Mama nak berhenti sini, bukanlah contoh. Kalau Mama nak berhenti sini boleh, tapi nafas tetap sama. Nafas tetap sambung, tak boleh ambil. Dia berhenti saja tapi jangan ambil nafas. Faham?
Contoh tadu'al harbu awzaruha gitu.
Awzaruha
zalika walau
tak berhenti pun.
Lepas tu tak payah ambil nafas kat sini.
Tak boleh ambil.
Hatta tada'al harbu awzaruha zalika walau yasha'ullahu.
Guys, remember the last time when we bought the baru perasan hidup bunga-bunga ni. Cantik. Apa dia? We bought the pelita. Hari ni Ramadan ke-17 baru nak pasang. Lama-lama ni. Ni. Mama kena beli sumbu. Beli RM2 je sebatang.
Kenapa gimana?
Dia tengah jemur baju lagi.
Kita nak berapa bang?
See guys, our lampu. Dia ada. Dia awak satu mana satu? Nah, ini tak ada sumbunya.
Ada kat pokok ni 4 lagi.
Guys, hari ni kita berbuka puasa together. Ikin ikut. Tengok ikan.
Ni
Tak tahulah apa. Ayam panggang ni ikut.
Baru lagi.
Dessert sayur naga, yam, sotong telur masin, tahu. Okay, that's all. Now ice lemon tea.
Memolek lagi, molek-molek. Terima kasih.
Bye guys.
Bye. Dia lagi masuk.
Pergi buka.
Jangan nangis hey.
Tak payah nangis.
Guys, I kind of lost count berapa Ramadan hari ini, but I am currently listening to kisah Nabi Sulaiman alaihi salam. Raja tak tertandingi dengan mukjizat luar biasa, cause I was actually curious pasal, cause the only thing that I know about Nabi Sulaiman is pasal dia boleh bercakap dengan haiwan, but this version in YouTube actually tells a lot more than that. And whilst listening to this, I did wallpaper. At this part, I chose this wallpaper because I think this is the only yang sesuai suit this. Yang ni memang dah lama ada. So, how was it? Do you like it? Do you think it's okay? I think it is cantik for me, and I am kind of satisfied with it. This is from afar. It's gonna be at the back of the meja semua. That one I need to letak balik. And yeah, I kind of satisfied with it. It's giving my vision. That's how I imagine it to be. And yep, I finished it already. Anyways, listen to this. This is very interesting. Guys, so I kind of make some makeover more for my living room, and this is my continuation, which kita ada jumpa this last time Mama beli dekat Eco, and then we did not use it, but now we were trying to find some ideas on how to apply in our living room. And also Mama bought this and the jam. So this is my like how I drew for the draft kan. Ini yang area depan TV. I finished this, and we were trying to do iron wall but cheaper version, like our version of iron wall dekat sini. Macam kita use this untuk buat dia punya frame, and then susun the daun-daun ni. So we had some ideas in mind, which is sama ada kita nak letak 3 small frames, but this is the arrangement lah, sama atau macam stair atau macam ni. And also this is the arrangement for the leaves on how it's gonna arrange in the frame. Ini kalau kita guna 3, so kita guna 2 leaves. But this one is kalau kita nak buat full macam frame yang panjang. So I think we will proceed with this arrangement. Sorry for the bad drawing because I kind of just roughly sketched this. So I think we will proceed with this. So that dia akan dapat efek memanjang dekat atas meja. There's a lot of things also that we have added and I did, but I did not show you guys and kind of did not film the process because some of the times I was so tired to even film. Some of the time I just don't have the mood to film. So, but I will show you guys when everything is done already, okay? We'll try to just arrange first dekat mosaic. Untuk berapa kaki ni? 1, 2,
5 kaki.
untuk 5 kaki. Not sure if sebab kita ada 6 leaves je. Not sure how it's gonna fit. But we'll try to adjust. Guys, I'm actually tengah pasting this. Okay, I did this first, the border, and I letak length di different length. Lepas tu I paste sikit-sikit sekarang ni. Mama nak keluar. Okay. I have 3 left. So tiring. Guys, to be honest, if looking at the back, it's gonna look awkward because the amount of leaf dia macam tak balance with the space. Means that I think I can fix it if I macam buat the frame tu smaller. But the thing is, if I want to make it smaller, I kena cabut 3 ni, which is very hard to cabut. And then this one also kena angkat, and that hujung pun kena. So I think I'm just gonna leave it like this je. Or maybe if the other day nanti kalau I rajin and I feel like I don't like this, and then I'll change lah. But my mama liked it. For me, I 50-50 about it. But yeah, now I'm gonna cabut all of the plastics so that kita nampak the mirror, the gold mirror. Guys, do you think white is better or the mustard one? Actually kan, macam mustard lah. Tak apalah, kita habiskan yang kuning dulu. Putih dulu, nanti tengok. Putih ke kuning? How guys? Tengah fikir. Guys, so I asked everyone in the house to choose between kuning and white, and all of the votes were voted for yellow. Me too, including me too. Papa juga, Belon juga, which is quite impossible because all this while kalau buat decorating diorang tak pernah contribute, but this time diorang bagi clue. So we're gonna change into this color, ni dengan ni. Done guys. It's a mustard. We chose mustard color. Is this okay for you?